All right. It's a minute till 10. Give it a little longer before I begin. Hmm. Tell your friends class starts in 1 minute. Hmm. How's everybody doing this morning? If no one joins the live, I'm just gonna go through the lesson, just teaching the whole lesson, and the recording when I'm finished. That's about it. I already have a Twitch channel. I don't do much on it though. I have my own personal YouTube channel that I haven't uploaded in a long time, but it's just a bunch of game videos. There's a slight delay, so don't be too surprised when I answer your question like a little bit later after I see the message. I don't know how long the delay is, so. All right. We'll start at like 10:05. So we'll start in about 3 minutes. Right now, just get ready, try and remember interior and exterior angles. We're gonna go through this whole most of this most of this work just to refresh you guys. Let's see. Play some music for myself because because again, make sure you guys complete yesterday's assignment. Yesterday's assignment's nice and easy. Hello, Quentin. Make sure you are reading through the entire thing. Okay, don't just click it and then be done with it. You have to read the entire thing in order to understand what you're supposed to do. Supposed to be a physical job. I don't know who this is. What is your actual name? I don't know your YouTube names. And the physical jobs will come back. This is only for now. Oops. Oh, okay. All right. So physical jobs will come. They'll come back. We just have to wait until we flatten out the curve. Once COVID dies down, uh, hopefully we're gonna go back to um, going back to our normal lives, going back to school, jobs, all that stuff. Yes, we are doing a review. I'll be going over today's lesson. All right, we are going over interior and exterior angles review. Okay, so it's 10:05. I'm going to start. That's okay if you forgot. That's why we're going over this. We're going to refresh our memories on all this. Okay, so question one. All right, it says study the table below. Why is this not working? There it is. Study the table below. Okay, we're looking for the interior angle sum of a 13-sided polygon. All right, now we take a look. 5 is 540, 6 is 720, and 7 is 900. Okay, we'll talk about graduation for now. The plan for the curriculum we're going to review for now, and then we'll probably start new stuff hopefully soon. But for now, we're gonna follow what LSIC does. LSIC has told us to do, and we're going to review stuff. All right, well, they're working on graduation and how that's going to happen. All right, don't sweat. You guys will be good. Okay, so continuing on. So we have if we continue, if we look at the pattern, 540 to 760 is 180 degrees. 720 to 900 is 180 degrees. So if we keep going at the number of sides 8, that should lead us to 900 plus 180 degrees, or 1080 degrees. Again, the difference is going to be 180. All right, we keep going on and on and on and on and on. You're going to figure out that there's actually a formula. If you guys remember this formula, that formula is going to be 180 times n minus 2. Okay? And n represents the number of sides. All right? So, if we're trying to find the 13-sided polygon, all we're going to do is we're going to take this n and we're going to replace it by 13. So we're going to take 180 times 13 minus 2, or 180 times 11. All right? At that point, I'm going to take my calculator out, okay? And I'm going to put 180 times 11. In that case, we get 1980 degrees. Oops. All right. 1980 degrees. So, that's question one. Now it's question two. Let's look at this. We're sum of 16 sides. Okay? So sum of the 16 sides. We're going to take our equation here, this one right here. We're going to take this equation, we're going to use it again, but this time we're going to use 16. So 180 and minus 2, and we're going to replace this with, oops, we're going to replace this with 16 minus 2, or 180 times 14. Again, we take this and we're going to put this into our calculator. 180 times 14, or 2,540 20 degrees. What do you mean, when do you get your work? The 1080 right here is the sum of, is going to be the sum of interior angles for 8 sides. Oh, that's too small. Let's change this to there. Yeah. 180 is for that. Chris, what do you mean by what do we get our work? When do we get our work? Yeah. All right. So, in this case, I'm gonna move this just slightly so that we can see. Okay. All right. This time we're looking for an interior angle with 30 sides. So n interior angles means we are looking for one interior angle. All right. So in order for us to find one interior angle, we need to find first the sum of the interior angles. We're going to find the sum of the interior angles, and then we're going to take that and divide it by the number of sides. So in our case, we have 30 sides. So we're going to start by finding the sum of 180 and minus 2. Again, we're going to replace n with the number of sides, which is 30, minus 2. Okay? And we have 180 times 28. Okay? And we take that, we plug that into our calculator. 180, where's times? Times 28. All right, we get 5,040. So we have 5,040 degrees. All right. So with this 5,040 degrees, we're going to take that and we're going to divide it by the number of sides. Since we have 30, we're going to take this number, we're going to divide it by 30. Okay, bringing the calculator back. Oops. Come on, calculator. All right. We're going to take this, so we're going to take it and divide it by 30, which gives us 168. So therefore, the sum of, or the measure of one interior angle is going to be, 168 degrees. And that's it. Oh my gosh. Okay. 180 degrees. All right. So that's for 30 sides. Now we're going to find the same with 17 sides. Okay. Again, we're going to start with our formula, 180 n minus 2 times n minus 2. All right. We're going to replace n with 17. So 180 times 17 minus 2, or 180 times 15. Okay, again, plug that into the calculator. 180 times 15, 27,000. Nope, 2,700. Gonna make that smaller. Okay. So let's see. Take this, going to divide it by 17. All right, we divide it by 17, and we get 158.8 which we will round to 159. There you have it. 159 degrees. All right. That's finding a measure of one interior angle of a regular polygon. Okay. So let's move on to the next question. All right. Question 5. It says find the value of x. Okay. Now, in order to find the value of x, we need to first figure out what's the sum of the interior angles of this shape. Now, this shape here is a quadrilateral. And we know quadrilaterals should have the measure of 360. Okay, but let's double check just to make sure. So we have n, oops, not n, 180. 180 times n minus 2, or 180 times 4 sides minus 2, or 180 times 2, which is 360. Okay, so we know it's 360, and we have to find x. To find x, we need to find out what all these add up to. Oh, well, we already found that. Sorry. I meant we're going to have to take all of these, okay? We're going to take all of these. We're going to add them all up, okay? So we're going to add 100 plus 80 plus 6x plus 10 plus 4. Oops. I'm going to make this prettier. This is hard to draw on. 6x. No. Okay, 6x plus 4x plus 20. Okay? And here, all we're doing is just combining like terms. We're going to solve this as we would normally. So we're going to take this, we're going to combine like terms. We're going to combine our 100, we're going to combine 80, we're going to combine 10, we're going to combine 20. Okay? So 360 is equal to, oh my goodness. Okay. So we have 100 plus 80 plus 10 plus 20. 210. So we're going to write down here 210. Okay? Now we're going to combine our x's, or 6x and 4x, which is 10x. All right, from here we're just going to solve normally. The first step we're going to do is we're going to do subtract 210 from both sides. Okay, so 360 minus 210 is 150, which is equal to 10x. Okay, and then from here, all we do is just divide by 10, and we have x equals 15. There's your answer. All right, there's your answer. Nice and simple. All right, same for number 6. Okay, I'm gonna go over number 6. Nice and easy. Okay, we know it's already going to be 360, so we don't even have to do this step right here. This step right here, we can just skip. Okay, we can just go straight to 360. Oops, that's not a 6. 360 is equal to all that. I'm gonna take this. Oops. Let me go back to mouse. No. No, no, no. Home. There we go. Oops. I didn't want to do that either. Undo. There we go. Okay. Okay. So we're just gonna continue by adding all this. Okay, we have 2x plus 20 plus 2x plus 3x minus 10 plus 2x minus 10. Okay, let me try and clean this up. This is okay, plus 2x minus 10. There we go. All right, again, we're combining like terms. We have our 20. We have our 20. We have our 10. We have our 10. Now, these are all, this one here is plus 20, and these are minus 10s. So you're basically taking 20, subtracting 10, subtracting 10. So you have 20, oops, use a different color. So we have 20 minus 10, or 0. So this all becomes 0. So we don't need this, we don't need this, we don't need this. Now we just have to add our x's together. Okay, so 360 is equal to 2x plus 2x plus 2x plus 3x, or 9x, and we divide by 9 for each side. We have x equals 40. That's it. I'm getting delayed messages. So you guys are solving it. You guys are probably solving it faster than me. Yes, these streams will be up every stream is going to be uploaded on, well, I think it's automatically uploaded on YouTube, which is why I chose YouTube as my platform. So all these videos are going to be up for rewatching later on. Okay? And I'm not going to take these down. These are going to stay up um forever, including next year, even when we don't have to have online learning. But it gives another outlet. All right? So, let's move on to question 7. Oops. I'm going to increase this so we have more room. Increase this. Yep. I'm gonna make more room. All right. Give us more room to work on, considering I'm at home and we can do this. All right. All right. So, again, let's go over number 7, okay? Just like previously, it's a quadrilateral, 4 sides, which means 360 degrees. We'll set it up. 360 degrees. Whoops. Draw. 360 degrees. That's too big. 360 degrees is equal to the sum of all the angles, okay? Which is 2x plus 16 plus x plus 14 plus 2x plus 16 plus x plus 14. Okay? And now this time, if you look and read carefully, we're looking for the measure of x. So we're not going to stop at, oh, sorry, the measure of s. So we're not going to stop at x. We're actually going to keep going. Once we find x, we're going to plug it back into angle s, which is right here. Okay? So we'll go back to that. Again, combine like terms. All right? We're solving. So we combine 16, 16, 14, 14. They're all addition, so we're just going to add everything together. So we have 360 is equal to Come on. There we go. 16 plus 14, which is 30, plus 16 plus 14, which is another 30. So 30 plus 30 is 60. We have 60. Now let's combine our x's. We have 2x, 2x, x, and x. Actually, I'm going to circle these. Okay. So 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1, or 6. Oops, not equals, plus 6x. Okay, and we're going to do what we normally do. First step is subtract 60 from both sides. We have, come on, 300 is equal to 6x divided by 6. X is equal to 50. Okay, so with x equals 50, all right, we're going to take that and we're going to plug it back into our equation for s. Since our equation for s is 2, let me make this clear, 2x plus 16, we're going to take this and replace it. I need more colors. Hold on. Okay. We're going to take this and we're going to replace it with 50. So we're going to have 2 times 50 plus 16, or 100 plus 16, or 116 degrees. Oh, you know what? I'm going to make it better. So angle S is equal to 116. No, I don't play OS. Anyways, number 8. So again, same thing, 360. Go do this a little quicker. So 360 is equal to the sum of all the angles, whoops, or x plus 2x plus 5 plus x plus 2x plus 7. Again, we're going to combine non-x's, 5 and 7. So 360 is equal to 13, nope, 12. Then x, 2x, x, 2x, again, 6x, minus 12 from both sides. We have 342 is equal to 6x. Oh, wait, no, not 342. I'm sorry. I meant 348. Whoops. 348 is equal to 6x divided by 6. All right. This one I can't do in my head. So 348 divided by 6, 58. So x equals 58. We take that, we plug it in for the measure of s, which is this one right here. So 2x plus 7, we take this and we're going to turn it into a 58. So we're going to have 2 times 58 plus 7, or I can't do math right now. 5, 6, 120, 116 plus 7, or 125. So angle S, oops, angle S is equal to 125 degrees. There we go. All right, that's that. That's solving for the measure of one interior angle of whatever shape they give you. In this case, we have quadrilaterals. Okay? Here we have much bigger whoops. We have much bigger shapes. All right? So this case, we're going to take a little, we have to find the sum of the interior angles first. 5 angles is 540. All right? So I'm just going to show how we got that. Again, we're going to use n, oops, not n, 180, n minus 2, or 180. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. 5 minus 2, or 180 times 3, or 540. Okay, so 540 degrees is going to be the sum of everything. Just like before, we add everything. Okay, so we have 2x plus 142 plus 2x plus 3x plus 14. Oops, that's not a 14. Plus 3x plus 14. Okay, again, sum of combined like terms, 142, 14, 14, 540 is equal to uh, 142 plus 28, 170, 170. Then we combine our x's. 2, 4 plus 6 is 10. All right. We're going to subtract 170 from both sides. This is going to be 370, which is equal to 10x. Oops. 10x divided by 10. We have x equals 37. And from there, we plug it into the measure of m, which is right here. So 3x plus 14. All right. Use a different color for that. So 3x plus 14. This is going to be 37. So 3 times 37 plus 14. Oops. Okay, 3 times 37 is 120, nope, 111. So 111 plus 14 is 125 degrees. So the measurement, oops, angle M is equal to 125 degrees. Did I math wrong? Did I make a mistake? You're right. I'm gonna fix that. That should be 123. Whoops. So 123. Thank you for that. KBY Panda, whoever KBY Panda is. Again, this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides, so we're just going to go straight into 540 is equal to the sum of all of these. Oops, I want to cover stuff up. Here we go. So we have 3x minus 11 plus x minus 8 plus x plus 8 plus 2x plus 7 plus x. Okay? And again, combine like terms, we have minus 11 minus 8 plus 8 plus 7. Okay, so we're going to combine, just going to throw that in the calculator for ease of access. So we have minus, oops, nope, clear. Minus 11 minus 8 plus 8 plus 7. So we have negative 4, so we have 540 is equal to negative 4. Then we combine 3x, x, 2x, x, and x is 3x plus 3 is 3, or 6 plus 2 is 8. 8x, okay? We're going to add 4 to both sides. So we have 544 is equal to 8x. Divide by 8. Divide by 8. X is equal to, guess I can't do in my head, 544 divided by 8, 68. And since we're trying to find V is this one here. So 3x minus 11. X is going to be replaced with 68. 3. Hello? What happened? My pen stopped working. Hello? Excuse me? Did my pen die? Uh, 1 second. Oh, okay. Give me 1 second. I gotta replug in my Apple Pen. Okay. That was strange. Try this again. All right. Once my thing starts working, come on. Come on, issues already just started. Come on, Apple. Oh my goodness. There we go. Okay, back to this. All right, cool. So, ah, Tech, why you do this to me? Oh my goodness. I have to do this again. Technical difficulties. Okay. Nope. What? Okay, cool. It's back online. Cool. Let's get back to this. All right. Again, 68 minus 11. Um, 3 times, let me see. 3 times 68 is 214 minus 11. You get 193. So 204 minus 11, you get 193 degrees. So angle V is equal to, oops, 193. Good job, guys. On Twitch, not as often as I did when I was like in college. I only stream like various random things. Also has 5 sides. I'm going to, whoops, I'm gonna make this bigger because I feel like we need more room. We don't need as much room for these. Okay. All right. So we're gonna do number 12 first. Again, 540 degrees is equal to the sum of all the interior angles. Okay, we have 7x plus 4x plus 5 plus 5x minus 5 plus 4x plus 10 plus 6x plus 10. Okay, combine like terms. I need another color. Let's do green. All right, so whoops, that's not okay. So we have 5, we have -5, we have 10, and we have 10. All right, so 5 minus 5 is 0, so it's just 10 plus 10. We have 540 is equal to 20. Then we have 7x plus 4x plus 5x plus 6x plus 4x. So that's 10 plus 11, which is 21, plus 5 is 26. Oops, 26. And then subtract 20 from both sides. Yes, I play League every now and again. So we have, this is why I don't like Apple. It's dying on me again. All right. Just gonna forego the pen and just do my hand or do the mouse. Actually, no, I can use my finger. So 500 and 40. Nope. 520 is equal to 20. Oh my gosh, this is so uncomfortable. 26x divided by 26. X is equal to 520 divided by 26. Oops. 20. So 20. Come on, pen. Is my pen just like dead? Maybe I have to charge it. No, this is a $100 pen. I ain't breaking this. Okay, so we're looking for measurement of C. C is right here. So, oh gosh, 5x minus 5, and then x is going to be, oh gosh, ugh, x is 20, and then 5. Oh gosh, this is so, why is this so much more difficult? 5, 20 minus 5, or 100 minus 5, or 95. So the measurement of angle C is equal to 95 degrees. There. Ah, all right, I'm gonna try this again. Okay. Okay, we're good. Try this again. All right, let's see if we can get through this next problem without my pen breaking on me or just malfunctioning. Okay, so we have 6 sides this time. 6 sides. Luckily, if we actually go all the way up here, 6 sides is 720 degrees, so we actually don't have to do any of the math. So 720 degrees is equal to the sum of all these. So we have x plus 2 plus x minus 8 plus x plus 7 plus x minus 3 plus x minus 4 plus x plus 6. Okay, combining 2, 8, 7, or negative 8 plus 7, negative 3 minus 4 plus 6. Okay, all right, so 2 plus, no, 2 minus 7 plus, nope, oh my god, cancel, cancel, clear, delete, escape. Okay, 2 plus, no, 2 minus 8 plus 7 minus 3 minus 4 plus 6. 0. Beautiful. Okay, so 720, oops. Now all we have to do is just combine the x's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6x. So 6x divided by 6. X is equal to, what's 720 divided by 6? 120. Okay, and then we plug it into D, because we're trying to find D. Again, C, D, C, where's D? This one is D, so it's just X minus 3, or 120, so 120 minus 3, or 117 degrees, which is the measurement. angle D. Nope, I'm gonna use another color. There we go. 117. All right. Whew, that was rough. We're almost there, guys. A little more than halfway. All right, so now we're looking at the value of x, but these angles are now exterior, so they're on the outside. Okay? And the sum of the interior angles, the sum of the exterior angles of any polygon is always going to be 180 degrees. Oops. Dang it, I'm trying not to cover that. There we go. 180 degrees every single time. Exterior angle. I'm right down the side. Exterior. Sum of exterior angles. No, Siri, be quiet. All right. Sum of exterior angles. So we're always going to use 180 as our total. Oops. And it's always just going to be the same as process as before. We sum of all the angles, or 3x plus 2 plus 2x plus x plus 5 plus 2x plus 1. Okay? And we're going to add all the non-x's. I'm just going to underline those. Oh no, the 2. Okay. 2, 1, 5. 180 is equal to 2 plus 1 plus 5, or 8. Then the non-x's are 3x, 2x, 2x, and x. So 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 1 is 6, plus 2 is 8. Okay, subtract 8 from both sides. This is, oops, wrong color. I should be using green. Subtract 8 from both sides. So this is 172 is equal to 8x divided by 8 divided by 8. Unless I did my math wrong. Let's see. So we have 172 divided by 8. 21 and a half. So x is equal to 21.5. And since we're trying to find the value of x, that's your answer. All right. So we're going to continue on the other one. Again, it's still exterior angle, so it's just 180 is equal to the sum of all of this. 2x plus 14, 2x plus 8x, 3, 4x. So 2x plus 14 plus 2x plus 18 plus 4x plus 4x minus 17 plus 3x. Again, combine all the non-x's, 18, 14, and minus 17. So we're going to take 14 plus 18. So 14 plus 18 minus 17 gives you 15. So 180 is equal to 15, and then we add all the other sides, or all the x's. 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 4 plus 3. So that's 4 plus 4 plus 4, or 12 plus 3, which is equal to 15. So plus 15x. All right, we subtract 15 from both sides. We have 165 is equal to 15x. We divide by 15. X equals, I don't know this off the top of my head. 165 divided by 15. 11. X is equal to 11. Done. All right. Um, we can keep going on for these, but I think you guys get the idea of exterior and interior and all that good stuff. So I'm actually going to skip the 15 and 16 and gonna go straight into 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay? So we're looking for the sum of the exterior angles of a regular polygon with 19 sides. Guys, what's the sum of the exterior angles for any of this? For any polygon. Sum of the interior angles is always going to be 180 degrees every single time. Okay? So this one here is also looking for sum, therefore 180 degrees. All right? Now, if we're trying to find the measure of one exterior angle of a polygon, so one exterior angle of a polygon, what do you think we're going to do? We're just going to take 180 divided by the number of sides. So 180 divided by 32, you have 5 point, oops, I missed that. What was it? 5.625 degrees. All right, same for number 20, 180 divided by 22, or 180, whoops, 180 divided by 22, you have 8.18 repeating degrees. There you go. That's your answer, guys. All right, well, that was today's lesson. Um, yeah, that was today's lesson. What is your question, Samuel? What do you mean put in work? Homework's on Schoology. All right, people are sending me their assignments. More homework. Right now, this is all the homework that I really need from you guys. Um, I've been good, Samuel. This itself was not an assignment. I'm actually, since I've completed it all on here, I'm actually going to take this. I'm going to take this assignment and I'm going to post it on Schoology. All right. Any questions before I sign off for today's lesson? Do you guys need me to complete number 15 and 16? Easy. I stay at home. I just stay at home, Samuel. Should be. So, unless you guys want me to go over 15 and 16, the our lesson for today is over. All right. If anybody needs more help, I can stay on, but I don't really know what else to go over. I will post the notes. What games do I play? I play League of Legends every now and again. I play Monster Hunter. I play a few others. All right, I'll go through 15 and 16 because somebody wants it. I'm gonna go through it real quick. All right, so you know what? My pen died. My pen broke, stopped working again. I think I'm gonna pause it for now. I'm gonna stop the for today. All right. If you guys need to, you guys can always come back and watch these lessons. Um, good night. So early, it's 10 a.m. Dude, that's not early. Wait, but who's KYB Panda or KBY Panda? I will be on Zoom today. I'll be on Zoom today from 1 to 2:30 p.m. It's not early. It's 10 a.m., guys. 10 a.m. is not early. This is no. You guys should be up by like 8 o'clock already. Mm. Well, the Zoom chat is the Zoom is just there for like chatting and messing around. Look, I'm gonna unplug my iPad and plug in stuff so I can charge my thing. Okay, this is no longer part of the stream, guys. Class is over. You guys may leave if you want. Um, look, is this the way to charge? No, this is the way to charge. I need to charge my pen. The Zoom code is on Schoology. Okay? To access my Zoom, it's already on Schoology. Make sure you hit the link. If you don't hit the link, the meeting ID is also on Schoology. On day one. Actually, yeah, on day one. Yes. I'm not technically streaming this. I'm about to get off. I don't have space for R6. I need a new desktop. The circulation of the moon when you subtract it 258, I have no idea. Send it to the office. Here, this is my in-game name, okay? I am broke. I'm a starving teacher. All right. I've left it up here long enough. I'm going to end the stream, okay? If you guys need any more need to talk or anything, shoot me a message on Remind. Again, I will be on Zoom. No, I think I'm going to not play right now. Maybe later on during the day. Not right now though. All right. Uh, Shoot me an invite and I'll add you. All right. So I'm gonna end it here. If I stream on Twitch, it's gonna be on my own personal Twitch. If you want to know what my Twitch is, you have to ask me on Remind. I'm not going to broadcast it. Okay? Yes, Samuel. Before I leave, before I end the stream, I'll answer Samuel's last question. Yes, I have a PS4. No, I do not play it. All right, guys. I'll end it here. I hope you guys have a great day. Yes, I know it sucks, Osvaldo, but it doesn't seem like we're gonna be going back to school. But this is our best bet. And I'll end the stream with a big face of me. All right, bye guys.